So first we talked about the weekly chart, which we mentioned that there's a challenge between the segment 1 and segment 2. As for the segment 1, that shows a longer and smoother decline with a larger degree of decline compared to segment 2. For the MACD indicator, the MACD bottom is consistently rising, indicating that there is a potential bullish momentum. Also, for the support levels, we see that the segment 3's bottom price remains above the strong support level platform A, and suggesting that there's a stable base for potential price movement. Also, now we move on to the daily chart. For the daily chart, like we had the same thing, which is the segments 5 downward momentum has been like notably showed compared to the segment 4. And for the MACD divergence, this is a clear bottom divergence visible on the MACD indicator, indicating like kind of like a possible trend reversal. Also, with the support and buying potential or point. The lowest price of segment 5 is just above the $3.8 support line. Investors may consider buying if the stock like price rebounds from this spot level without dropping below, with a target price range between like 3.4 and 3.8 and $4. For the financial analysis, we have discussed that in the first quarter of 2024, financial report SoundHound AI reported a significant 72.86% year-over-year revenue growth in the first quarter, reaching like $11.594 million. However, like the company kind of like also reported that there's a net loss of $33.09 million, showing that there is an improvement in basic earnings per share at kind of like minus $0.12. For the full year revenue guidance, SoundHound like AI project for year 2024, revenue between $65 million and $77 million, indicating like that there is a potential revenue accelerating or acceleration in upcoming quarters. Also, for the last part, which is the institutional perspectives, and where we see that what the analysts are in this part. So analysts rating that they have like a consensus moderated by recommendation for SoundHound AI. The average is between 12 months target price with $6.88, with recent targets including the DA, or which is the DA dividend rate, which raised target to 9.5. With a buy rating. Also, with Bush maintained outperform rating with a $9 target, and HC Wainwright maintained buy rating with $7 target. So also, SoundHound AI shows a strong revenue growth potential despite recent stock price volatility, and also analysts view the stock favorably with targets suggesting potential upside from current levels. Also, for the investors, they may consider the current price range around $4 as a kind of like strategic entry point, targeting like higher prices like $10 based on the company growth prospects and analysts' confidence.